Are you a Pi Network user wondering what new apps you can try in the ecosystem? Today we'll explain Helix, a social platform where you can post, tip, and even earn Pi. Let's get started. Helix is an innovative social platform built for the Pi Network ecosystem. It integrates social publishing, community interaction, and Pi incentives in one place. Helix is currently on Pi's testnet, meaning it's available for testing and exploration, but not final production. First, Helix lets you share your thoughts, stories, and experiences using an intuitive post system. Think of it as a decentralized social feed where Pi users can publish content freely. Second, Helix enables Pi tipping, meaning you can support creators using Pi cryptocurrency. Users can tip content they like, rewarding high-quality contributions and fostering a value-driven community. Third, Helix supports earning Pi through engagement and allows seamless withdrawal to your Pi Network wallet. This merges social interaction with real Pi incentives, creating a new kind of decentralized social economy. Helix may be suitable for Pi users who enjoy building community, connecting with others, and earning Pi through engagement. It's more than a typical social feed, is where social publishing meets Pi rewards. However, since it's still in a testnet stage, always proceed with caution and never share sensitive information. To explore Helix, open your Pi browser and visit test.helixnet.app. You can view trending posts, publish content, and see how Pi tipping works. Since it's on testnet, features may change and are meant for exploration rather than guaranteed rewards. If you want to find more Pi ecosystem applications like Helix, you can use a Pi app navigation tool that organizes apps in one place. This helps you explore safely and discover new Pi-based services. In summary, Helix is a Pi Network social platform that lets you post, tip, and earn Pi. It's part of the growing Pi ecosystem in testnet. If you found this explanation helpful, subscribe for more Pi app guides and tutorials.